Seniors, have you felt your knees cracking every time you stand up, holding onto the railing just to get down the stairs, feeling like your legs can't fully support you anymore? Most people over 70 are told this is just normal aging, that weak knees are something you have to live with. But that's not true. In most cases, the problem isn't your knees, it's the muscles around them slowly switching off. And once those muscles wake back up, stability, strength, and confidence start coming back fast. Here are 3 simple senior-safe exercises that target exactly that, and all of these can be done right at home. Exercise 1. Seated leg extension. Sit on a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend one leg forward until it's almost straight. Hold for a second, then lower it down slowly. Alternate legs for 10 repetitions each. This strengthens your quadriceps, the main muscle that protects and stabilizes your knees when you stand, walk, or climb stairs. Exercise 2. Toe raise. Sit comfortably in a chair with your heels firmly on the floor. Slowly lift your toes upward as high as you can while keeping your heels planted. You'll feel the front of your lower legs working. Hold briefly, then lower your toes slowly for a count of 3. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions, rest, and repeat for 3 rounds. Exercise 3. Wall squat. Stand with your back against a wall and feet slightly in front of you. Slowly slide down just a few inches into a squat. Hold for 5 seconds, then push back up. Repeat 3 to 5 times. This is the most powerful one. It strengthens the entire support system around your knees and directly improves everyday movements like getting up from a chair or walking downstairs. Do these regularly, and you'll start to feel your legs becoming stronger, steadier, and more reliable again.